As-salatu was-salamu ala ashrafir rasulillah. Let me not prolong my preface much. First of all, most honorable Ustad Dr. A.P. Abdul Hakim Azhari Ustad, Managing Director, Markaz Knowledge City, President, Kerala State, SYS. Mufti Maulana Sajjad Hussain Sahab, Ustad Sayyid Alawi Ahsani, and all other dignitaries present on and off the dais. My duty here is to introduce this Fatah Academy as well as welcome this gathering. To start with my welcome, education maketh a full man, an ancient Roman proverb that also has significance across the globe. For instance, the very first word revealed of the Quran is Iqra, that is to read. So, my dear friends, this foundation here is presented to the society to foster learning, science and technology, keeping the traditional and moral values and our ethics upheld. To begin with, Jamia Markaz, with a legacy of 5 decades, has been serving across the globe at various and distinct levels. It has such a large tree now, whose shadow has been whispered on hundreds and thousands. These thousands have enlightened another thousands, and these thousands has now made a community more than 1 million who represents the source of knowledge and thing. This process has now 1 million worth of society that has ignited the word of wisdom, light of knowledge. By the grace of Markaz visionary, His Excellency Sheikh Abu Bakr Ahmed, the Indian Grand Mufti, and our beloved Ustad A.P. Abdul Hakim Azhari Ustad's vision and mission, this Fatah Foundation in Mysore is the representative of Markaz, Jamia Markaz and its mission, and to fulfill the needs of education. Markaz is now widely all over India and across the globe. In a nutshell, in the Sultan's town of Mysore, Sher Mysore, Hazrat Tipu Sultan Rahmatullahi Alayh, this foundation also comes with the resemblance of his name, that is the Fatah Foundation, because the city is his gift to us. Fatah is to represent Markaz with its supervision under blessed leadership and visionary ulamas in its indebted to Markaz. The first step in its stepping stone is this Fatah Academy of Integrated Studies that have been inaugurated today. This Integrated Studies College gives 8 years of education that fosters modern, ethical as well as religious learning to bring into a brighter student history and brighter student that can shape the better of this nation. At the time, the most need of the hour for our community is the need for education itself. This foundation is based on 2 things. One of our logo or proverb is to care for a smile. To bring a smile in one's face is the greatest blessing that has been served. So as for through learning and showering education on people, the community can be uplifted. That uplifted community can uplift another 100. So this generation and legacy of developing community through education runs on. And for are we here to serve this society? I would like to get this into a nutshell, that is, at last, humanity is what it matters. To be human is to understand values and ethics. To understand values, moral and ethics, it is important to learn and to practice what we learn. Thus, the key to success and a better sustainable world is knowledge and learning itself. So far, this foundation is present to the society of Mysore, and we as its volunteers are ready to work out for that. Today, at this venue, we present the Fateh Foundation to this vibrant society to ensure its dream come into a reality. Progress is what we aim, and we assure that the first results from these students present here will be delivered to the society, embarking a remarkable journey in the history of Mysore towards success knowledge. Inshallah, I put my words into a nutshell. This is the information or introduction to the Fateh Academy and the Fateh Foundation at Mysore.